maybe one of the things that a lot of people have is trauma or past problems that they're trying to get rid of or trying to let go.
Yeah.
So how can we use meditation to let go of wounds, mistakes, and grudges, or just past trauma in general?
This is very important question, and everybody's are struggling, like they're not able to let go the thought of the past or the future. If something has happened, just for example, accident has happened, or relationship problem has happened, or any kind of the traumatic experience has happened, and we are not able to let go of it. So the best way, first of all, we have to accept each and every moment with deep gratitude, you know and the second thing, we have to bring our awareness at the top of the nostril on the breath. As I said, celebrate each and every moment of our life, whatsoever things are available into the present moment awareness. So when we focus on whatever is present right now, what will happen? We are not going into the thought of the past or the future. Why we are going into the thought of the past or the future? Because we are thinking about and living with the mind. So but when you are aware of whatsoever things are available, just for example, if I'm living in a small house and I'm enjoying with the computer, I have a garden, I can go to the garden and connect with the trees, connect with the flower, connect with the plants. So be aware of whatsoever things are available, and be grateful for it. First of all, automatically I'm not going into the thought of the past or the future. Why? Because I'm not living with the mind will try to take you into the thought of the past or the future. That is a property of the mind in the form of worry, anxiety, and in the same way it will connect you with the thought of the future. So what I'm trying to do, suppose I connect and hug with the trees, I can connect with the plants, I can enjoy with the fragrance of the flower. So first of all, we have to connect with it. Second thing, what I should just create a thought of forgiveness, kindness, compassion, gratitude. So the more we
Mm,
create a thought of positive emotion, what will happen? We can easily let go the thought of the past or the future. As I said in the beginning, ego create all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought. Ego
mm,
try to help us into the thought of the past or the future. Ego says, I am powerful, I am superior. So the more you connect with the useless and unwanted thought, the more you live into the thought of the past. So what I'm trying to say, just accept the present moment awareness, pay attention to whatsoever things are happening into this moment. So as soon as we connect with it, we can easily let go the thought of the past or the future. Another process, as I said, we can bring the awareness of the breath at the top of the nostril while breathe out. Why? Because breath is a life force energy. The breath can help us to live into the present moment awareness. And the more we go for the deep breathing exercise, what will happen? We are just aware of the abdominal breathing, not on the chest breathing. Chest breathing, when we do, it is called the shallow breathing. And when we do the shallow breathing, what is happening? I'm not into my own body space. So therefore, I strongly recommend to go for the deep breathing exercise, in which you can feel the sensation of the breath at the top of the abdomen, while taking the breath inside, and in the same way, you can feel the sensation of the breath at the top of the chest while taking the breath outside. So when we go for the deep breathing exercise, we can easily let go the thought of the past or the future. So this is the way we can let go the thought of the mistake, thought of the grudges, thought of the wounds. Yeah, yeah.
awesome, man. That's